Welcome back to the next Anubis mask video. I'm going to now show you guys how to put it together. I've done the paint job, I've done the undercoats, and I have found a couple of issues that I fixed up. Like I said, you can see things better with the base coat on. So on this main shroud part, I found a bubble on the top section and on the one cylinder that sticks out the side. Okay, so just fill them up. What I found when I fitted the head was it doesn't fit flush. I just sanded this top section down slightly so it fits in. You can adjust it as you want. It doesn't sit very tight, but you can make it go all the way in. And then on one of the ear fins there was a little bubble on the edge, and on the edge of this fin. Okay, I need to sand them down still. So look around for bubbles. You shouldn't find too many. What I did as well was this chest plate. It needs to go into this top section. This part needs to sit so that this lip is hidden away underneath. So just sand away this gap until you can actually get this in all the way. Okay, so saying that, I'll just get on to how everything goes together. You got your head part and you got your two you call it a fin, feathers or whatever. Okay, so the head goes basically onto the body like such. Okay, and then your fins with the down stripes facing downwards, that clips into these holes. You do not need to glue it on. Okay, they can be moved. Okay, let's leave the head off for now. Okay, one for each side. Then this gets glued in over here to cover up the inners. Then we got the small shroud part. It goes into the top one, and there is a lip along the inner edge. Okay, then that goes onto the main one. Okay, you can see I did sand down the seam like I said, and I did quite a good job at it. This one over here is hidden away around the top edge. So that goes in like such, so you get your main body. Okay, and then that sits on top of the shoulder part. Okay, there will be an instruction manual with everything on it, but basically on this piece you put your glue onto this section, and then it glues straight onto this this top plate, and the rest goes on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it first and then glue everything together. You can glue it together then paint it, but then you won't get paint in under the edges. So paint it to a certain section and then glue it together, or glue it section by section. So I'm going to try and do this and then glue this piece on, and then I'll maybe do the rest. Do these, paint these three, and then just glue this piece on, and then finish it off and then glue the rest together. Okay, I'm not going to glue the head or the or these fins on. Okay, they're going to be loose. And then I'll come back and show you the paint job. I'm not going to go through the paint job on camera. I'll do it all separately in the build document, because there's quite a few layers. You'll see in the photographs that I put on the box page that there's a lot of different layers and colors. So I'm hoping to get the same effect. I'm not guaranteed I will, but I will try, and then we'll see how it looks. Okay, thanks, cheers.